You land in Dallas. Your phone says no service. Maps don't work. No Uber. No translator.
What do you ask? Where do you go? ESIM, SIM card, or just hotel Wi-Fi?
Today, phone, SIM, and Wi-Fi English for the World Cup. B1 level.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
Connectivity is critical for tourists. Maps, rideshare, translation, tickets, all need internet.
3 options today: ESIM, physical SIM card, and Wi-Fi only.
B1 level, practical, real situations.
ESIM, the easiest. Download from an app before traveling. No store, no card, just internet.
Popular eSIM apps: Aerolo, Holofly, Saily, GigSky. Buy plans for 7, 14, or 30 days.
Cost example: 5 gigabytes for 7 days, around $12 to $20. Activate before landing.
If you prefer in-person, go to a U.S. carrier store. T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon. All have stores everywhere.
At the store: "Hi, I'd like to buy a prepaid SIM card." Or, "A prepaid plan for 2 weeks."
Worker may ask, how many gigabytes do you need? GB equals data amount.
Answer: about 5 gigs if light user. 10 or 15 if you use maps and video.
Common questions. Does it include calls? Does it have hotspot? Is unlimited data included?
Hotspot means share your phone internet with your laptop or tablet.
Worker installs SIM, activates, tests connection. You're all set. You're connected.
ESIM. Download before traveling. Apps: Aerolo, Holofly, Saily.
Physical SIM. T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon stores. A prepaid SIM card, please.
Plans: how many gigs? Light user: 5 gigabytes. Heavy user: 15 to 20 gigabytes.
Features. Does it include calls? Does it have hotspot?
Now Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is everywhere in USA. Hotels, cafes, restaurants, airports, even buses sometimes.
At a hotel, Wi-Fi is usually free with your room. What's the Wi-Fi password?
At a cafe, same. Order something, then ask, could I get the Wi-Fi password, please?
Sometimes it's printed on the receipt or on the wall. Look around first.
Quality matters. Is the Wi-Fi fast? Or, is it good for video? Some places are slow.
Free public Wi-Fi at airports, usually safe. Free Wi-Fi in random hotspots. Be careful with private info.
If you can't connect, common solutions. I'm not able to connect. Is the network down?
Or, could you reset the router? Sometimes works at small cafes.
Or, could you give me the password again? Maybe you have it wrong.
Phone calls. Even with Wi-Fi only, you can use WhatsApp, FaceTime, or Skype.
If you need to call a US number, you can use Google Voice or your hotel phone.
Hotel phone: I'd like to make a local call. Ask at the front desk if there are fees.
Texting US numbers: use WhatsApp if the person has it. Otherwise, SMS through your eSIM or plan.
Useful phrases for connectivity problems: I lost my connection. Could you try again?
Or, my signal is weak. Move to a different spot. Closer to a window.
Battery: American outlets are different. 110V, Type A or B, bring an adapter.
Power bank: useful at the stadium and during long days. Could I borrow a charger?
Public USB outlets, common in airports. Be careful with random ones in tourist areas.
Wi-Fi. What's the Wi-Fi password? Is the Wi-Fi fast?
Calls: WhatsApp, FaceTime work over Wi-Fi. Hotel phones for local calls.
Problems. I'm not able to connect. My signal is weak. Could you try again?
Charging: bring an adapter. Bring a power bank. Could I borrow a charger?
All these problems are common. Don't worry. Hotel staff will help.
Practice these.
I'd like a prepaid SIM card, please.
About 10 gigabytes, for 2 weeks.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Is the Wi-Fi fast? Is it good for video?
Could I borrow a charger? Quiz. What do you say?
You arrive at JFK Airport. Your phone has no service. You want a USSIM.
Find a T-Mobile or AT&T store. I'd like a prepaid SIM card for 2 weeks.
You're at a cafe and want to use their Wi-Fi.
What's the Wi-Fi password? Or check the receipt.
Phone battery is dying at the stadium. You forgot your power bank.
Could I borrow a charger? Or is there a charging station here? Ask staff.
Connectivity in the USA is easy if you know what to ask for.
Tip, buy your eSIM before you fly. You're connected the second you land.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Stay connected at the World Cup.